Stop. Don't feed your dog these foods, ever. First up, onions. They destroy red blood cells and make dogs super sick. Even a small bite can harm your pup. Not worth the risk. Soups, leftovers, onion powder, all of it is a big no. Next, grapes. Super tiny, super dangerous, kidney failure level dangerous. If they eat any, call your vet immediately, don't wait. Raisins count too. Think trail mix, oatmeal cookies and snack boxes. And lastly, chocolate. Big trouble. Heart problems, shaking even worse. Watch for vomiting or restlessness. Seek help fast. Dark chocolate hits even harder. Zero sharing. Want to treat your pup? Go with carrots, apples, blueberries, or dog treats. Love your dog? Keep these foods off the menu. Healthy pup, happy life.